And storm tracker Jim Cantori's got the hat on. And Jim, I see some snow starting to accumulate on your jacket.
Oh yeah, these are the big flakes too, guys. These are the ones you you try and eat. Okay, they're a full meal here. Let's check it out here. I'll actually hold my hand out and let some of these flakes come on. Notice again how the flakes are sticking together as they come down, and obviously some of them are melting and whatnot, but still huge flakes coming on down here, and no question we've got some issues in and around the area, and I'll talk about that. Let's show you some pictures earlier on. Again, we've been in and out of this snow now for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and it really hasn't stopped. Occasionally, when it does wind down, it comes down more as a light rain. But when we get into the heavier bursts, that's when the snow seems to come. And here goes a couple school buses behind me right now. I bet you they are heading out to take kids home. They're going to go pick up kids and head home. We were seeing more and more schools jump in the fray now. And this is a little scary, actually, because now that everybody's kind of panicking a little bit, the potential is, if we don't get everybody home in time, is we're going to get gridlock on some of these roads, especially given the fact that we don't have any salt trucks here in Houston. We have sand only, and the 65 of them at that. You can see the radar here. This little pink band is where we have some very heavy, wet snow coming down at the present time, and we can prove that to you. We got 3 bonks here. We're going to try and take you around the city. I got 2 great tweets at Jim Cantori. This one lady told me, Jim, I'm up in Conroe. You're right. It's just a light flurry, and I can actually see the sun coming through the clouds right now. Another tweet from Pasadena, and she said, Jim, it is now covering the ground in Pasadena, which is off to my south and east. Here's I-59 at Rice Avenue. You can see this is just west of the university. The roads are just wet there. So again, that's just out of where that heaviest snow is, believe it or not, on the south and east side of the city. The cold air is a lot further south than what we thought it was, folks. Here's I-10 at down toward Katy, Texas, Jester Boulevard here, and you can see the snow coming on down. Looks like the lens is almost frozen a little bit, but again, the road's still mainly wet here. We haven't cooled down the road surfaces enough, so we still have some time. And again, this is the LaPorte Freeway down there near Underwood, near Pasadena. Look at that, guys. There's palm trees. There's palm trees on the right side, and snow obviously covering the ground there. Roads, thank goodness, still on the wet side here. So that's what we're looking at. The snow continues to come down. It's not, again, intense enough yet, Betty, to coat the roads, but you got to watch these radar trends. And the other trend, too, is the fact that the cold air is a lot further south than what's being indicated here. Even Galveston is at 41 degrees right now, and there's a chance of accumulating snow between Galveston and downtown Houston. There is a chance we may not see an inch of snow, or even a half inch for that matter, measured at George Bush. Hobby may get more snow out of this than George Bush. Back to you.
Interesting stuff happening there, Jim. And we should mention that Houston has seen snow before, but let's talk more about the historical aspect of this.
Yeah, this is the earliest snow on record. Should it accumulate, which we are pretty confident that it will. Last year, everyone was like, wow, December 10th, that's the earliest snow we had on record at Houston at 1.4 inches. But now we're talking about this kind of snow, which not only is it earlier, Betty, but we have a very good chance of having more snow accumulate at Hobby than we do at Intercontinental, which is south of the city. So this is just wild. I mean, the folks in Boston and Syracuse and Buffalo, well, not Buffalo today because you're finally getting it, but are like, you got to be kidding me. What's going on here with Mother Nature? But a wild ride in December, no question. And this is in the